Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rezwal and I post weekly videos on how to do easy cocktails that you can do at home. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a blushing mimosa. Blushing mimosa is based with orange juice, pineapple juice, grenadine and sparkling wine. So take your champagne glass and keep it aside. If you don't have this glass at home, you can use any glass. So take your shaker. I would like to use a shaker just to mix the pineapple juice and the orange juice. Just to give a little shake and just pour it in the glass. Add about 60 ml of orange juice. I have already pre-measured the juice, so it's easy just to do it. 30 ml of pineapple juice. Just give it a nice small little shake. It's not necessary to shake this, but I just want to mix the drinks. And top it up with sparkling wine. You can use any preferred sparkling wine. I'll be using a Sula. Wow. There you go. To complete your drink, you need a garnish, but well, in this cocktail there's grenadine going, so add a dash of grenadine, about 10 ml or more, but I'll just put a dash, and that's your blushing mimosa. Cheers, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Drop me a comment below if you want to see different cocktails or anything, any other cocktail, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy. Cheers.